We shape our homes, and our homes shape us. I, Pallavi Arora of Fulcrum Homedecor, am here to transform your spaces into a dream home. Cheers to new beginnings and new memories, with a little bit of magic and lots of love. Welcome to Fulcrum Home Decor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. Today's video is about a room makeover. This is again for one of my beautiful and lovely audiences. She approached us, I think a year back, to get her daughter's room redesigned, but because of COVID and due to world circumstances, this got delayed. But very recently she came back to us and she wanted to start the process, and I cannot wait to show you how this space looked before and what it looks now. So let's jump right into the video. The clients wanted a very bright and colorful room. Now, since they had already had very dark furniture, I wanted to bring in color. We started with narrowing down on some color palettes, and I loved the combination of this beautiful teal blue and peach, which was nice for a growing child and also would grow with her. So this was not a very typically child's room, but I wanted it to have a little playfulness. So that's why both the colors work very beautifully in the room. I wanted to just elevate the colors a little, and that's why I have added the headboard in a bright teal color. I have also given the pattern a lot of reflection of that bright peach, dark peach color in her open shelving, in a circular pattern behind the bed, in the open shelving right next to the dresser. It kind of adds a lot of drama and a lot of playfulness to the space. I also wanted to bring in some warmth, so I've kept the furniture very light wood color, not having too many heavy grains in it either, and the accents that I've kept are in black, just to complement all the softer pale colors that are in the room. So this is how the room looked before, and this is how the room looks now. On the other side, behind the door, is where I have provided them with a storage which replicates the wardrobe, but it is a slimmer one. This can accommodate a lot of grains and other groceries that they like to bring in once a year when they visit their family, when they visit their village. So it's camouflaged just to look like a wardrobe, and it doesn't feel like a storage space. In the center, right in front of the bed, is where I have given the study table. The study table has open shelving above and closed shelving above, so it helps give that balance of keeping things inside and also displaying her books and her toys. On both sides of the study table are two storage units. Now I didn't want to have the storage units in a very storage kind of a way. So what we've done is we've given them varied depths and varied shapes that helps in segregating and organizing storage, as well as it looks very beautiful in the room. The other thing is to have a dresser. Now again, the dresser is a very slim, long storage unit, which I have just cladded with mirror on top. It has storage inside, so again her surfaces can be clutter free, and we have provided her with open shelves which are connecting the dresser to the storage behind the door. The entire unit looks like one family, and it really looks very soothing, even though it has a lot of different elements going on. What I've done is with the parallel sides, one side we have housed the wardrobe and the bed, and the other side I have housed the study table and storage and dresser, etc. With the wardrobe, I went ahead with a large size wardrobe. This is more than 4 feet to accommodate everything that she needs now and and as she grows in the future, she will need this space. The clients wanted a loft, so I've provided a loft above the wardrobe and above the bed, so it's a full-length loft. With the loft, as I generally do, is I like to paint it off with the same color as the walls, simply because it helps in camouflaging the loft. It doesn't look like a heavy piece of furniture, specifically above the bed. With the bed, it's a fold-out bed, and I didn't want it to look like a typical fold-out bed, so I wanted to give her a very plush-looking, very comfortable headboard for the bed. So instead of going in with wood, we've given her a tufted headboard. This headboard is made in a scalloped pattern. Now this adds a little bit of playfulness to the room, specifically when it's a young girl's room, and it extends all the way to the side table because I wanted to give that elongated feel in the room. So this is how the room used to look earlier. They had a bed which was a pull-out bed, but it didn't function so well. They had a wardrobe here which was made out of MDF, and they also had a dressing, a unit that they used to call a dresser. And it was very dark. They needed some lighting solutions here. They definitely wanted to have a few elements in the room. As I said, this was going to be a multifunctional room. Welcome Kuldeep and Amrita. Thank you for this opportunity to be able to transform this room, and I think it's gone through a major transformation. So what is your feedback for us? What is it that you liked here?
Yes, actually our experience working with you is kind of different. It's kind of decent. Our requirement was very decent, and to have a lot of space to keep different types of the home tools or with the other stuff. So according to that, the requirement was very much fulfilled, and kind of color combination and the curtains and everything. I mean, it's so perfect. I mean, it's very nice.
Office balcony while going to office.
Right.
That day only I thought I'll visit that place.
Right.
One day. I was not aware that is your office. I thought it is someone's gallery balcony, and they have decorated that way.
Right.
So I went there to ask who is the interior decorator for that balcony. So I came to know that it's Fulcrum's office, and that day I decided that I'll make room.
Thank you so much.
Once again, I would like to thank you for joining us. If you wish to get your spaces transformed or designed or a makeover for your space, definitely get in touch with us. We would be very happy to help you. We are based out of Pune. We take turnkey projects only in Pune, but we can help you transform your spaces via virtual design service. All the links and all the details are mentioned in the description box. Please have a look at that if you are interested. Follow us on Instagram to see short clips, videos, reels about how the space has transformed and nitty-gritties of the product details that we have used here as well. I will see you again in another video. Thank you and happy living.